What's up, guys? Today I received some package from Wish, and by the sound, I hope they are okay. Let's look. Okay, guys, so it's time to open the bag. So let's see what we have inside. Oh yeah, I love it. Okay, something is wrong here. Wait, one. Wow, okay. They said we're supposed to have at least 30 terminal clamp. I pay for it. Here, I don't know if you can see it. Just where's my thumb? Okay, probably not. You don't really see it. It show 30 clamp. I have only 15. It's not bad. I pay only $2 for it, but still. Oh, okay, those guys, they're only good for. Don't try it with 12 gauge. 12 gauge, it's too big. You need to take a little bit smaller, like 8 or 6. That's going to be a 6 gauge, and that's going to be perfect. I'm just going to move those guys here. Let's look at the other one. Let's open it. Wow, something like that. Okay, so let's open it. Oh, whoa. Okay, so wow, filter, that plastic. Okay, I pay $2 for that too. So it's plastic. They don't tell me where to put the battery. They don't tell me anything. Okay, so let's look at it. I forgot to mention this guy here for the water. We call that a 7-color RGB color LED light water glow faucet. Okay. I need to be careful. Don't lose anything. Just going to put it here like that. I'm going to use this guy here. Oh, that's no good. Okay, something's wrong. Yeah, something is. Wait. Nope. Okay. No filth inside. Nothing. Nothing there. Okay, so I found the way of this is working. It's with the pressure of the water. So what happened? It's the water is going to turn that wheel here with the pressure, and the light is going to turn on. So for my faucet at home, I don't have any adapter, nothing, so that's no good. Complain. I hope you like this video. If you want, you can always leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to thumbs up. See you on the next one. Ciao.